Hello children, good morning all of you. Today for class 11, conic section on ellipse, that is part 2. On parabola, you have already got one lesson. Please pay your attention. Standard form of ellipse, that is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. This is the standard form. What is ellipse? In case of parabola, there are fixed straight line and fixed point. Here also is a fixed straight line and fixed point. Parabola, that is not bounded, and ellipse, that is bounded figure. There are two directrix and two latus recta, but in parabola there are one, and you have already seen that. And here the several terms are given. You have to follow the terms. You have to remember also. Equation of directrix, that is x minus a by e equal to 0. And in this side x plus a by e equal to 0. Latus rectum, length of latus rectum, that is 2b square by a, both. And focus, coordinate of focus, that is AE equal to 0, right side, and this is minus AE 0. And x axis is known as major axis and length, that is 2a. Y axis, that is known as minor axis, length, that is 2b. If we consider any point, that is P, on ellipse, the distance between the focus and this point and distance between this point to directrix, that ratio, that is PF by PM, that ratio always will be less than 1 in case of ellipse, and in case of parabola that is equal. And this ratio is known as eccentricity. That also you have to remember. On this, one sum is given. Find the length of the major and minor axis, the length of latus rectum, coordinates, etc. in the following ellipse, that is 9x square plus 25y square equal to 25. One equation of ellipse is given. From that equation, we have to find out the several terms. Please pay your attention. If you follow the step, easily you will understand. Here the given equation is 9x square plus 25y square equal to this. In standard form, right side of the equation, that is 1, and here is 225. This we have to bring 1. This is why both sides we have to divide by 225. By dividing and simplifying, we are getting x square by 25 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. This is denoting by 1. Now comparing with the standard equation of ellipse, that is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. We are comparing this equation with this, and here a square greater than b square. Here a square equal to 25, and simplifying a equal to 5 and b square equal to 9 by simplifying b equal to 3. Therefore, the center of the ellipse, that is this equation is origin, and its major and minor axis are along x and y axis respectively. Therefore, the length of the major axis, that is 2a, and value of a, that is we have got already 5. So after putting and simplifying, we are getting the major axis 10 units. Similarly, the length of the minor axis, that is 2b, this is b, 2 into 3, that is 6 units. Next, we have to find out length of lattice rectum, that is 2b square by a. After writing formula, we have to put the relevant values. After putting and simplifying, we are getting 18 by 5 units. Next, the coordinates of the vertices. This coordinates of these vertices. Two vertices plus minus a0. In this side plus and this side minus. So plus minus a0. And we have already got the value of a. This is why plus minus 5, 0. That is the coordinates of vertices. Next is eccentricity. That is by formula, this is 1 minus b squared by a. After writing formula, then we have to put the values. After putting and simplifying, we are getting 4 by 5. So eccentricity is 4 by 5. Now, coordinates of foci. Foci, that means two focus, right side and left side. This is why plus minus AE 0. After writing the formula, then we have to put the relevant values. After putting and simplifying, we are getting plus minus 4, 0. Then equation of directrix. Equation of directrix, that is x plus minus AE. This side, that is right side minus and left side plus. So this is why x equal to plus minus a by e. After that, we have to put the values, and after putting and simplifying, we are getting 4x equal to plus minus 25. Sum is completed. Very simple sum. If you follow that step attentively, then easily you will understand. Okay, thank you everybody.